Hey guys, welcome back to another video with your girl Unruly Shauna. So today I'm eating some lunch. I'm eating a piece of home fried chicken, home cooked chicken, and some rice and peas. Guys, look on the rice and peas, they look really nice. And a piece of fried chicken with raw veg. Yeah man, this is how the food look. So guys, for all who don't know, this is a Jamaican box lunch. So yeah, our Jamaican fast food. So yes guys, so guys, which one of them pepper you know want me to eat for today? When you comment no man, which one of them pepper there? See me have one brown pepper there, hot scotch bonnet, and this are the orange one. Them pepper you hot, you know guys, me tell you. But yeah, it's a true me love spice. Yeah man. So I'm gonna eat one of them pepper you food guys. Yeah man, just like that. Mm-hmm. Mm. Yo. Mm. Guys, mm, this is delicious. So guys, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to your girl Anuli channel. See? Eat a whole eye. And it was so delicious. Yeah, mom, enjoy the food. So guys, this left my belly full, me can't eat no more. Okay, yeah? My belly well full, guys. Me have to eat that later. So yeah, man. Big up all of my viewers and my subscribers. Just go and subscribe to the channel here because we have a lot more video coming out. So big up on yourself and I'm out.